Hey, in this video, I'm going to discuss with you working hard versus working smart. And I believe that hard work is essential. But I had an epiphany this year, and I'm going to tell you what that is that changed the whole concept of this. I'm going to discuss how you can make things very easy on yourself. But I do want to talk about this working hard versus working smart. I'm offended by the work smart, not hard crowd. That's nonsense. I'm offended by people to say just work smart and don't get your hands dirty. Well, maybe you're not digging ditches, but believe me, you got to work hard to get ahead in most cases. But here's the epiphany that I had, and that is I don't really need to work hard. I just need to have a schedule. And I just work my schedule. And I've been doing this for years. Now, sometimes I do work hard. And when I find out I'm working hard when things are out of control and my schedule is not adhered to. So here's how I'm going to tell you to structure this is make a good schedule and stick to the schedule. And you won't have to work hard. Look, in all likelihood, you're not digging a ditch, but that's working hard. There are people that are working very hard in business, in sales. And you may be watching this and you may be somebody that's doing some hard lifting or moving weight in some way, shape, or form that is causing stress on your body. That's hard work, okay? If you're in business, usually it's the effect, it's being frazzled that makes it hard. It's what people say, my ADD's kicking in. It's kind of like it's a cop-out. My ADD's kicking in. People have it, yes. Take your Ritalin or your Adderall or whatever, but you still have to have a schedule. And if you have that schedule, that will give you freedom from stress. And it will give you this, there is freedom in the schedule. And that's what you need to do is you need to have a schedule that you adhere to, and you'll find that you're not working hard, because the hard work in business is when you're out of sorts because you don't really have control of your day and you don't have control of your hours and you feel like things aren't getting done. It's like because you're not working in a methodical way, there's something not getting done that should be getting done. Therefore, you feel stress. And sometimes you don't even know what that something is. But because you're so disorganized, things aren't getting done, and therefore, again, you have that stress. Now, we get to the point where it's like, well, I have my schedule, but I'm not getting everything done. Now the problem becomes fixing the schedule. Fix the schedule. Don't worry about, and by the way, if you do everything you can do in a day and you worked a full day and something doesn't get done, well, it just didn't get done. You just go to the next day, and put that on the schedule. So you have to have some type of ability to organize what needs to be done and get it out of your head onto a schedule, a piece of paper. And that might be where you want to start. It is where you want to start. Write everything down, prioritize, get it on a schedule. You may find that there's too much to do. So you need to incorporate some type of assistance. And, that broaches a whole nother conversation, which I'm not going to get into. But again, there's freedom in the schedule. Make a schedule. Work hard, work smart, whatever you want to call it, but follow your schedule and then you'll be fine. And subscribe to our channel and like our videos and make comments and be interactive with us. I answer the comments. Have a wonderful day.